Hey, and welcome to this video called How to Express Emotions number 2. My name is Liam, and as with the previous video, which you can check out on the card here, I'm gonna read through some examples in Danish and also translate into English. So you can go ahead and put your phone away in your pocket if you are busy doing something. Otherwise, you can read along with the examples. And it's gonna be a repetition exercise, so it's gonna be always saying that I am this, or I am not this, or this makes me something, with a couple of variations. Let's do it. Stresset. Stresset. Jeg stresset. Jeg stresset. I'm stressed. Ugh. Pulling out my hair if I had any. Jeg ikke stresset. Jeg ikke stresset. I'm not stressed. Det gør mig stresset. Det gør mig stresset. It makes me stressed. Det stressende. Det stressende. Easy. Presset. Presset. Pressured. Jeg presset. Jeg presset. I'm pressured. I'm under pressure. Babadum. Jeg ikke presset. Jeg ikke presset. I'm not pressured. Jeg føler mig presset. Jeg føler mig presset. I feel pressured. Det pressende. Det pressende. It's pressuring. Is that a word? The translation a bit tricky here. It's pressing, but it doesn't exactly feel right. It's pressurizing. I don't know if that's the right word either, but it's when, imagine somebody's doing something that is making you feel pressured. Det pressende. Han presser dig. Because it's not like pressing, as in like urgent, because there you'd probably use the word haster. Det haster. Næste. Opfordret. Opfordret. Encouraged. Nice smiley faces here. Jeg opfordret. Jeg opfordret. I'm encouraged. Jeg ikke opfordret. Jeg ikke opfordret. I'm not encouraged. Jeg føler mig opfordret. Jeg føler mig opfordret. I feel encouraged. Det opfordrende. Det opfordrende. You may have started to notice a pattern. All of the three first examples, they've had this ET ending that I'm pronouncing. Stresset, presset, opfordret. And also the last adjective where we've been saying, for example, it's encouraging. Often in English it translates as stressing, stressful. We have this ending of opfordrende, pressende, stressende. Flow. Flow. Embarrassing. Yeah, flow. Yeah, flow. I'm embarrassed. Jeg ikke flow. Jeg ikke flow. Jeg føler mig flow. Jeg føler mig flow. I feel embarrassed. So when you say yeah flow, it can mean I'm embarrassed or I'm also embarrassing the things I do. So by saying jeg føler mig flow, it's almost more clear that you feel embarrassed. You almost feel like you're a bit stupid in a way. Og det flot. Det flot. That's embarrassing, or it's embarrassing. Begejstret. It's a beautiful word. Begejstret. Excited. Almost enthusiastic about something. Jeg begejstret. Jeg begejstret. Jeg ikke begejstret. Jeg ikke begejstret. Det gør mig begejstret. Det gør mig begejstret. Det begejstrende. Det er begejstrende. Okay, so I almost don't have to translate for you now, right? You understand it? It makes me excited, makes me enthusiastic almost, and it's exciting. Det er begejstrende. Elsket. Elsket. Loved. Jeg er elsket. I'm loved. Jeg er ikke elsket. Jeg er ikke elsket. I'm not loved. Jeg føler mig elsket. Jeg føler mig elsket. I feel loved. Det er elskeligt. Det er elskeligt. That's loving. Klar. Klar. Ready. Jeg er klar. Jeg er klar. Jeg er ikke klar. Jeg er ikke klar. I'm not ready. Jeg føler mig klar. Jeg føler mig klar. I feel ready. Det er forberedende. Det er forberedende. Here you can see the pattern is broken a little bit because I've had to change the word kind of. I couldn't really think of a good variation on klar. I think it's the only way to really say that you are ready and I'm ready. And another word in Danish is at forberede, which means to prepare. So if something is preparing you, preparatory, you might say det er forberedende. Det er forberedende. Modig. Modig. Brave. This guy looks brave. Jeg er modig. Jeg er modig. I'm brave. Jeg er ikke modig. Jeg er ikke modig. I'm not brave. Jeg føler mig modig. Jeg føler mig modig. I feel brave. Det er modigt. Det er modigt. It's brave. Or that's brave. Tålmodig. Tålmodig. Patient. Jeg er tålmodig. I'm patient. Jeg er tålmodig. Jeg er utålmodig. I'm impatient. Jeg er utålmodig. Det gør mig utålmodig. That makes me impatient. Det gør mig utålmodig. Det er tålmodigt. Det er tålmodigt. That's patient. Here I took a 2 for 1 because there was like you wouldn't really say jeg er ikke tålmodig, although you could say in the right context, but the opposite of tålmodig is utålmodig, and you know there's a lot of Danish words that have that at the start. And another thing I just thought of here, the last example, det er tålmodigt. In general, many of the adjectives will have a T on the end when you say det er something. Det er hyggeligt. Det er dejligt. Det er tålmodigt. Of course, not all of them do. Words such as fantastic will never have a T. Well, that was my short and second video on emotions and how to express them. Hope you found it useful. I still have many more to come, so leave me a like, leave a comment. Let me know if there's any words that you don't know how to say, or that you want to hear me say, or any examples that you want to have in the next video. Otherwise, tak fordi du så med, og vi ses i den næste video. Danish